Welcome to Motorbike News channel.
Ducati has probably made 2018's best motorcycle, and it's called as the Panigale V4. Inheriting the Ducati Corse MotoGP DNA, the Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine makes this bike the most powerful bike in its class, with 214 horsepower and 91.5 pounds-ft of torque. Starting with the new front frame, it's more compact and lighter than the perimeter frame and uses the engine as a stressed chassis element. This ensures heightened rigidity and feel of the bike, and with the use of meticulous design and light materials, the V4 tips the scale at just 430 pounds. 17 pounds more than the 1299 Panigale. This puts the power-to-weight ratio at 1:1, and this is going to make the V4 trump everyone in this segment.